Welcome to MoodPrep. This is your dashboard, past recipes and quick insights right at a glance. Up top, you can jump into Explore, see your saved recipes, or dive into your cookbooks. When you're ready to cook, just type how you feel, pick from common moods, or even roll for a random recipe. You can also choose a cooking style or add filters like cuisine, diet, or budget. In seconds, MoodPrep generates a recipe with an image, ingredients, and clear step-by-step instructions. From here, you can save it, add to a cookbook, share it with friends, or buy the ingredients directly on Amazon. MoodPrep makes dinner decisions simple. Say your mood, get a recipe.